Digital marketing is the future. At the end of this video, I'm going to select 2 brands to do a free social media audit for them. So make sure you watch this video to the very end to know what you should do to qualify to be the lucky winner. Maybe. In this video, we are going to learn about the differences between digital marketing and traditional marketing, the importance of digital marketing, key areas of digital marketing, the skills you need to acquire to be a digital marketer, and the tools you need to be familiar with if you want to venture into digital marketing. So, if you've heard of digital marketing but you want to know more about it, this video is for you. And if you're already a digital marketer and want to understand digital marketing more, this video is also for you. So stay tuned, let's watch this video to the end and learn more. Let's dive in. Imagine your friend starts a small business selling soaps, and instead of doing the door-to-door ads, going to people to advertise to them, she decides to create an Instagram account, take nice pictures of her soap and post them on her Instagram page, and even pay someone to develop a website for her. That is digital marketing in action. Digital marketing simply means promoting your brand, services, or products using the internet or digital devices like smartphones, laptops, and even smart TVs. Traditional marketing, on the other hand, is using traditional means to promote your brand, your product, or your services. We have like radios, billboards, newspapers, door-to-door. Digital marketing is extremely important because it helps you meet the people where they are, online. Today, most people spend their hours online, searching for products, searching for services, watching funny videos, watching educative videos. So digital marketing helps you meet the people where they are. That is online. Digital marketing is extremely cost-effective. Traditional marketing like billboards, newspapers can sometimes be very expensive, but digital marketing gives the opportunity to even startups to reach a larger audience using smaller investment or no investment at all. You can run a Facebook ad for as low as $1. You can also decide to go the organic way and not invest any dollar at all. All you need is to create your content and post on your social media platforms. Digital marketing is measurable and trackable. One of the best advantages of digital marketing is it helps you track everything that you are investing in. For instance, if you run a Facebook ad, you would see the number of people that watched the ad, the number of people that clicked on the link that you added to the ad, the number of people that viewed your profile through the ad, the number of people who bought your product, and even let you know the social media platform that is good and helping your business. Digital marketing helps you target the right audience. If you market your brand using a billboard, you can't restrict the number of people who are going to see the billboard. It might even be that where you are placing your billboard, your target audience might not be using that route. But with digital marketing, when you're running a Facebook ad, you get to choose your target audience. You can choose the age group of your audience, the gender of your audience, the demographic of your audience. Digital marketing helps you target the right people for your brand. Digital marketing builds stronger customer relations. Through social media platforms, you get to interact with your customers to make them feel like they know you so that they purchase from you. You can create content that will make your audience feel, okay, so this person is like me, let me purchase from her. This person, I feel her vibe, I like how she portrays her product, I like how she sells her product, so let me purchase from her. So digital marketing helps you to interact with your audience better. Digital marketing drives real results. Whether you want to increase sales, get more clients, get more views, get more profile views, or create awareness, digital marketing gives you the tools that will make all these happen. And the last importance of digital marketing is the future. Trust me, almost everyone wakes up, takes their phone to go online, to go and search for a product. We live in a world that people don't want to walk through the market, walk through the crowd to a shop to go and purchase a shoe. We go online, we take our phones and we search affordable shoes in Africa, affordable shoes in Ghana, and I get a shop online that I can just buy my products from there and they're going to deliver it to me at my comfort zone. So digital marketing is the future. Let's talk about the key areas of digital marketing. We have social media marketing, SEO, that's search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click ads. and affiliate marketing. So let's take all of them one after the other and break them down for you to understand it better. Let's start with social media marketing. Social media marketing is everywhere. The most common marketing type is social media marketing. Social media marketing is simply using the social media platforms to sell your products, your brand, or your services. Example of the social media platforms, we have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X. So social media marketing involves creating content and posting on your social media platforms, running ads on the social media platforms, and interacting with your audience on the social media platforms. So social media marketing is basically around these three. Next up, we have SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is simply making your brand or your website appear higher when people search on search engines like Google. So a clear example of this is, let's say you want to buy shoe in Ghana, you want to buy it online. You go to Google, you search affordable shoes in Ghana. A list of shops or websites may appear, but the ones that appear higher are the ones with the highest search engine optimization. So how do you make your website appear first or appear higher in search? Using the right keywords. So if you have a keyword like affordable shops in Ghana in your bio, when I search affordable shops in Ghana, you're going to appear because you use the right keywords. Having a fast and mobile-friendly website. A lot of people use Google or search for things using their mobile phone. So your website needs to be mobile friendly. And then we have a lot of website builders who are going to help you develop a good website, a mobile friendly website for your brand. Next up, let's go to email marketing. Email marketing is simply sending direct emails to people's inboxes for updates, promos, etc. A clear example of this is sometimes you go to someone's website, they'll request for your email. You type in your email and then your first name, and you'll be there. You get a mail from them saying, "Hi Akosia, we want you to know that we've brought a new shoe or we brought a new this to our website and we want you to check up. Hi Akosia, we want you to know that we'll be running a promo on 20th to 30th of April," something like that. So that is email marketing. Next up, let's go to content marketing. With content marketing, it's value first before selling. Content marketing is value first before selling. With content marketing, you first give free and valuable information to build trust before you gradually convert all of them to be your customers. Something like blog posts, you need to write about something that is teaching or giving information for free before you let them know you sell something. And then YouTube videos, like what I'm doing right now, I'm giving you information, I'm teaching you about digital marketing. So at the end of the video, if I sell any digital marketing products, if I sell any products, I will let you know at the end of the video that I sell this product or I sell this ebook. If you want to purchase this is the link to purchase my ebook. That is content marketing. Next up, we have pay-per-click ads. These are the sponsored ads you see on Google, you see on YouTube. And then with this ad, it's very effective because it helps you reach wider audience, but you pay when someone clicks on your ad. You pay when someone clicks on your ad. So that is why it's called pay-per-click ad. So if you run the ad, but if nobody clicks on it, you are not paying. You run these ads to promote your brand. If you want fast selling, if you want to fast sell your products, you do pay-per-click ads to promote your brand, and you pay only when someone clicks on the ad. Next is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically you promoting someone else's products, but you get commission when someone buys using your link or using your short code. For example, schemes might be looking for affiliate marketers, people to help them sell their products and earn commission on them. So that is affiliate marketing. Let's talk about the skills you need to have as a digital marketer. The first thing you need to be as a digital marketer is to be extremely creative. Digital marketing is all about creativity. How you even edit videos for clients or how you edit your own videos is creativity. That's why you can give the same sample of videos, you can give the same videos to two videographers and they are going to come out with different results because they all have different creativity. So as a digital marketer, you need to be extremely creative. 2, you need to be a storyteller. You need to know about storytelling. People follow stories, people follow series because it's engaging, because it helps you attract customers. Customers always want to listen to something that's going to attract them to your page to buy your product or to like your products. Communication. As a digital marketer, you need to be able to communicate to people, communicate to your audience, communicate to your potential customers through words or visuals. The last skill I'll talk about as a digital marketer you need to have is data analysis. You need to be able to understand your analytics, understand the analytics of your clients, to know what is working for your clients and what is not working for your clients. If you're doing it for your own brand too, you need to be able to study your analytics and understand your analytics to know that, okay, this is what is working for me. This is the social media platform that I'm getting more sales from. This is the social media platform that is helping me. So let me channel my energy to this social media platform to make me more sales. Let's talk about tools. Tools you need to understand or you need to know as a digital marketer. Canva. Canva is very easy for designing, for graphics, for video editing. CapCut is video editing friendly. It has templates and then their interface is beginner friendly. So CapCut as a video editing tool is very helpful. ChatGPT. You need to understand AI. As a digital marketer, you need to understand AI, at least the basics, how to prompt chat. People are using ChatGPT to make a lot of money, and I'm going to make a video on that to let you know how I use ChatGPT to make money. MailChimp or Brevo, it helps you to send mails like email marketing. So MailChimp helps you to send mails to clients. Google Analytics helps you to understand and know who visited your website and what they do for you to be able to understand your audience. How to get started as a digital marketer? Relax, okay? Just pick an area. If you know you have an area that you are comfortable in, learn for free. We have tons of tutorials on YouTube on how to create content, on how to make voiceovers, on how to edit your videos. We have HubSpot offering free certification on tutorials that they teach for free. We have SEMrush. You can learn everything that you want to learn about digital marketing on these platforms for free. Practice. You cannot just start and walk to a client that, I know how to edit videos, I want to use your product to learn how to. No. There are lots of things around you. You can take your earring, make videos of your earring, and then edit them. You practice how to edit videos. You practice how to manage a social media platform. When I was starting as a social media marketer, I used my own brand. I built a TikTok brand and then learned how to grow the brand. So that has become my portfolio. That has become my proof to show to the clients that I know how to make your products go viral. I know how to sell products on TikTok. So practice what you learn. Next, build a portfolio. Take screenshots of your work, make videos of your progress, and then document your growth to build a portfolio, like a proof to show to your clients that, yes, I can do it. The last thing I would say is keep learning. As a digital marketer, there's nothing like I'm done learning. Always make sure you are learning. Always make sure you are improving on what you know. Day in, day out, YouTube is improving their algorithm. Day in, day out, Meta is changing things in their algorithm. Facebook is changing. TikTok is changing. So always learn to improve as a digital marketer. Final tips for digital marketers. Start small. Stay consistent. Show up. Track your progress and always be open for feedbacks. If this video was helpful to you, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video to your friends. Now back to how to be the lucky winner for the free audit. Comment your brand name, the social media platforms you are on, and tag 3 friends to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And voila, who knows, you might be selected. In my next video, I'm going to be teaching social media marketing and how to create content for your social media platforms. So please hit the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I make a post. Thank you for watching my video. See you some other time. Bye.